In this video, I will guide you on how to see a Google password if you forgot it. First, launch open Settings on your device. Now scroll down a bit. Here, find the option of Google Services and select that. Now locate your Google account at the top, then tap on this arrow icon. Here, tap on Manage your Google account. Now scroll down and find the option of Security and Sign In. Here, scroll all the way down and find the option of Password Manager. Tap on that. Now you want to locate google.com or your Google account over here. Select that. You will have to enter your lock screen or PIN. Now you're going to find your email address here, and down below you should find your password. Go ahead and tap on this I button in order to reveal your Google password. From here you will be able to easily view your Google password. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.